In this lesson, I'll show you how to sketch a simple isometric massing based on this layout. If you want to follow along using the same drawing here, you can download it from the link in the description or just use your own. Start by double tapping on the zoom level for a bit more space. Activate the selection tool and select the drawing using the lasso tool. Tap on the duplicate icon to make a copy and move the duplicate away from the original. Now pan it to the middle of the canvas, open the settings, and switch the active grid to isometric. Next, make the selection again. To counter any distortion later, we're going to adjust the height of the selection to 86.6% from the measurements pop-up. To align the longer edge with our grid, let's apply a -30° adjustment to its angle here as well. Finally, we'll skew the selection by tapping on the bottom two handles and move them to the right until we have a match. We're almost ready to start drawing. I'll just select the pen tool and, importantly, activate Snap from the Precision panel. I'll also zoom in a little to make this a bit easier. Now, all that's left to do is sketch the volume to get a clearer sense of the space. For diagonals that aren't aligned with our grid, start drawing the stroke, then stop for a moment, and the shape recognition will kick in, allowing you to place the angle of your stroke more freely. To delete any guidelines, activate the selection tool, switch it to item picker from the bottom, tap on the stroke, and tap delete. To select more than one stroke, hold the stylus or finger on the screen, hover on the items you want to edit, and tap with another finger to select them. This allows you to duplicate symmetrical geometry like the gable ends here. Now just fill in the rest and maybe try adding some shading to it next.